What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, my name is Art. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Today we have the all-new 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, and I'm going to give you my thoughts on this car. The 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. So if you were a kid of the 90s, then you knew that Jeep Grand Cherokee came out in 1993. Now, the Jeep Grand Cherokee that I have behind us is the entry-level Grand Cherokee, the Laredo. This car stickers at $31,000. And for being $31,000, I think this is a great family car and off-road vehicle. The front headlights and the traditional Jeep grille give it a very nice look. You have the halogen fog lights. You do not have the bi-xenon headlights because this is an entry vehicle. Once you come to the side of the car, you notice the 17-inch wheels with the Goodyear tires. Let's walk back here. I'll show you the keyless door. So once you stick your hand right here, it feels the sensor and it simply pops open your door. We'll press the gas cap right here, open it, and I'll show you guys the capless system. So you simply stick your nozzle, fuel up, close your cap. When you walk to the back of it, you notice the LED lights around the rear tail lights, which is a beautiful finish. You have your turning and your reverse. What I love the most about this car is the fact that the rear camera is centered right in the middle, so you get a great view of what you're backing up into. Now, the Laredo comes with a single exhaust tip. There are other models that come with dual pipes. Now let's pop open the trunk and see how much space we have back here. Now you have fold down seats that will double your amount of space of your existing trunk. Now if we close the trunk, hop behind the wheel and look what's under the hood. So I'm in the Grand Cherokee right now, and before I give you my thoughts and the review of this car, I just wanted to say I love what Jeep did as a brand with their Grand Cherokee lineup. There's close to a dozen trim levels of this car. So depending who you are as an individual and what you need out of your car and how you want it to perform, you can pick and choose. If you're a person that likes going off-roading, you get the Trailhawk, which comes with a different suspension, all-terrain tires, different wheels. If you're a person that is an adrenaline junkie and you like speed, acceleration, sound, and that noise in your car, then you could get the SRT or the all-new Trackhawk. The Trackhawk, I mean, that's a car that I want to get my hands on. 707 horsepower, 0 to 60 in the mid-threes. That's a lot faster than a lot of sports cars out there. So back to the Laredo that we are in right now. This is the base model car. It comes with cloth seats, a Uconnect 5 system. You have the automatic keyless go. You start the car, you have a nice little screen in between your instrument clusters that says Grand Cherokee. The engine of this car is a 3.6 liter naturally aspirated 6-cylinder engine that comes equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The transmission on this car is great. I've been driving it and smooth shifts. We took it to the beach yesterday, me and a couple of my buddies. Nice seats in the back, center divider opens up, space for your cup holders. You have vents in the back for your AC and your heat. Driving it through the road right now, and I'm getting a lot of bumps, hitting a lot of bumps. It's very smooth. You don't feel every single pothole. Overall, the car drives very well. You get 19 city, 26 highway. I think that that's good MPG for an SUV of this size. My overall experience with the Grand Cherokee is I liked it. I like the looks of it. I like the exterior body styling. I feel like if I would get an SRT that would have different bumpers and the dual exhausts, that would be more my type of a car. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. Thanks again for watching another video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Catch you guys next time.